Greetings everyone, and welcome to this video on bias while recruiting participants. So the bias while recruiting participants is mainly a selection bias. It can result from non-random sampling. It can also result from treatment allocation in which the study population is not representative of the target population. It is most commonly a sampling bias. A subtype of selection bias is known as Berkson bias, in which the cases as well as the controls are selected from hospitals. Now, these patients tend to be less healthy since they are admitted in a hospital, and they also have different exposures than healthy people, which are not admitted in the hospital or have been seen in the outpatient departments. Attrition bias is another type of selection bias. It occurs when the patients are lost to follow up. That is, the sample size has undergone attrition. So the people who have been lost to follow up have a different prognosis than the patients who actually showed up in the follow up sessions. So this can inadvertently result in a systematic error or bias being introduced in our study. Now, how do we mitigate bias while recruiting participants? We can randomize the study and control groups in which we create similar distributions of known as well as unknown variables. We also need to ensure the right comparison group for our treatment group. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.